In this video, I will show you how to get a star on status bar in iPhone. So let's get started. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Focus. Now tap plus icon located at the top right side to create a new focus option. Next, tap Custom. Let's assign a name for this new focus. Now scroll down and find a star icon and tap on it. In case if you need to add any other icon, then you may choose that icon. You can even set color of this icon as per your needs. Once done, tap Next. Now tap Customize Focus. Here you can select people or apps if you want to avoid notifications. Also, you may set schedule. This is optional and there is no need to change anything. Once done, open Control Center by swiping from top right side. Here, tap Focus. And from the available focus options, select the one that we just created, which is my icon. Now, if you check your iPhone, you will find star icon next to the time. So that is how you can get star on status bar in iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.